Another day, another surgery. This is our case for today. This is breast augmentation. Virgin case. No? Breast augmentation. 24-year-old female. So, gusto niya natural looking lang, not too big, not too small naman. Siyempre, sayang naman, nagpa-breast aug ka tapos masyadong maliit. So, I placed 250cc moderate plus profile. No? When you say moderate plus, hindi masyadong mataas siya. So, paglagay po natin sa loob yan, very natural po yan. Walang implant show. Hindi nakikita yung implant, no? Kasi yung take-off niya, hindi ganun agad pag ganun siya. Kasi hindi masyadong mataas. So, yan po. We will see her after 1 week. So, that's it. I am with Dr. Sherwell Degasgas from Cebu. And Dr. Mads Cruz from malayo pinanggalingan ito sa Pasig. So, that's it. Another day, another surgery.